Gosh. Look at this thing. This feels too realistic. This isn't with the modded exhaust. This shouldn't be possible. Go. Well, yeah, we'll alright. Let's go. Oh my gosh, the tunnel run. The tunnel run. Oh gosh, I'm swerving. Oh gosh. In the lovely streets of Japan on the Tokyo Express. Oh my gosh, that echo. This is insane. Oh gosh, I've hit something this time. This is crazy. I can't wait to go on the Nürburgring with this one. Alright, we're gonna do a launch control with this one. And then end the video, I guess. Alright, launch control. We gotta turn off traction control. Yeah, I know. Oh my gosh, this thing is crazy. Look at the exhaust getting red.
I know.
Oh no, I'm losing control, Oh, that's a clean drift that I accidentally. I'm surprised my computer does not explode with that fire. Alright, just a few more run-throughs here on the hood. We're gonna close the video down. Alright, this is just so fun, I don't want to stop. We're just gonna complete the track. We're almost done. Oh no, I did not see that turn. I've definitely hit that.
Alright, are you hopping on this?
Yeah, I'm about to pull up though. I gotta pull over somewhere. We're almost there, I can tell. It's like right around the corner. We're gonna speed up so we can get that quicker. We'll just pull off here. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll yeah.
Are you good at riddles?